What up, YouTube? How's everyone? Sorry for the late video, guys. I know it's been a while. Sorry, guys. I know you guys are kind of mad. Been gone MIA. Sorry, guys. Just been busy with work, trying to get stuff done around the house. Just been super busy. But I want to make some videos. I'm in the Mustang right now. I'll give you guys a quick video for a Saturday evening. Chilling in the Mustang. I'm gonna go park over here. We're gonna park over here. Do a walk around. Talk about what's going to be coming up in the next few weeks. You guys excited? I hope you guys are super excited. Summer is here. I know it's been a nice weather for the last 4 weeks. So I hope a lot of people have their cars out. But yeah, guys, we gotta get the motorcycles and stuff going. I got a video for the Harley Davidson. I got pretty much the last thing that I am doing to the bike coming in at the beginning of next week. So we'll do a video about that, guys. I'll just go over here to my spot. But yeah, guys. Chilling in the Mustang. Not the fastest Mustang, but that's okay. Daddy already had the fastest Mustang. Let me get this thing parked. But overall, guys, man, this Mustang is super nice. And everyone, if anyone's looking for a new Edge 99 to 04, you know it's getting harder and harder to find these. Harder and harder to find, guys. It's super hard to find. So these cars are just, and the reason I say that is because a lot of them are very beat up, high mileage. Obviously, you guys can see I only have 71,800 miles on it, a little over, but I'm not going to break it down. But you guys can see, you got the glow gauges in it. The nice thing is I got the little controller that you could dim it, do what you want, which is nice. The interior is pretty much stock. I put the stock radio in it because it just works better with the speakers, and it's a 6 CD changer, so that's that's cool. Got the white face gauge there. Interior is pretty much stock, guys. Let me get out of here. The interior is pretty much stock. Nothing. You guys can see how clean the interior is, though. Look at how clean the leather is. And like I said, usually these are pretty clapped out. The leather's ripping. Back seats are mint, which they always are. Passenger seats mint. Overall, this car is super clean. Just do a walk around, guys. Just show you, I got the rest of the lights for the Cobra bumper. Got the fog lights, the bezel, and the lower, what do they call it? Chin spoiler. Car looks super nice, guys. Let me get back here, guys, get a good video. It's probably hard to see. It's just super clean, guys. I love this car. And like I said, they're getting harder and harder to find. Especially in really good condition. They're just almost impossible to get. Like I said, a lot of them are just clapped out. Just a lot of problems. Paint fade. Complete repaints. Maybe a quarter panel or whatever been repainted just because of the people are crashing them. You guys can see, super clean. And then I did the wing delete. The wing delete, you guys can see. Looks super nice. So, obvious, guys, I was trying to find a bullet, but bullets are almost impossible to buy. And if you find the one I was looking for, they were in the mid-20s, and I wasn't looking to spend that kind of money on a bullet. So I kind of did a bullet theme with this one. I did the wing delete the proper way, where I shaved it, got rid of the holes. It did the torque style wheels, kind of like the bullet. which you guys can see looks super nice. I blacked out the badges. You guys can see I blacked out the badges. Did the brake caliper covers, which looks super nice. Like I said, nothing crazy. The nice thing about these cars, guys, you guys could do so much to these for so little, guys. That's what's so awesome about these. Super little money it takes to make these cars look good. If you can find a bone stock for pretty clean, you know, just doing simple things like new wheels, obviously has been lowered. It just really gives the car a complete upgraded version, you know, upgrade to it. And I feel like these Mustangs are still got great styling, and you know, thank God for the 03, 04 Cobras, because I feel like those are holding high value, and it's because it's that body style. The GTs and stuff are holding good value too, just because of the body style too. You know, look, I did a front, it's a Mustang 2003 Mustang GT, and I did the 03, 04 Cobra bumper, which they always look really good on this. I did black headlights. You guys can see, super nice. And I love the stock hoods with the like the Ram Air look to them. They look really nice. I really dig the look of them. But back what I was saying, just very little stuff can make these cars look so great and updated. One of the biggest things I would say would be tinting the windows. Is a cheap mod that just gives it a really nice look. You could do, you know, blacked out third brake light. You could do the tail lights. These are stock tail lights. I like them with the color yellow. You guys can see super clean. Sorry for the bad video, guys. I wish the sun was out, but you guys could see, guys. So I just want to make a quick video, guys. Quick video. And the nice thing is it has some mock sounds in it. It's an auto. I wish it was stick. I know, guys. But you guys can see, super nice car. No check engine lights, no ABS lights, no nothing. And like I said, I looked at a few of them, and I tell you what, they were clapped out. The one had a Mach 1 motor swap in it. All the whole dash was lit up like a Christmas tree. Like I said, it's just getting harder and harder to find Mustangs, especially the older ones. It's just getting harder. I think the 04 would be like, I wouldn't do 05. I wouldn't do 06. I just don't like those body styles. I would do a 2010 or a 2011. Don't look bad, but I think that's the only way I would do it. But you guys can see it drives beautiful, shifts great. Pretty much bone stock, guys. I'm about to do the 410 gears in it, just because it is automatic, to give it a little more oomph, which will make it feel a little bit better. I don't know the plans yet, what I'm going to do to this car, guys. I'm still debating what I want to do to it. It would be nice to do a supercharger on it, but I think I might. I think I'm going to lean into the nitrous, just because my ZX10 is nitrous. So it would be kind of cool to do my car in nitrous too, and I'd just be kind of like nitrous Al or something, because I'll have the nitrous Mustang and I'll have the nitrous ZX10. So guys, I got more videos dropping this weekend. I just want to make a quick video. I know it's been a while since I posted of this badass Mustang. Sorry for the video, guys. I guess I just want to go for a cruise, just talk about life a little bit with you guys and what's coming up next. We got the drag strip coming with the ZX10. Maybe we'll race the Mustang bone stock just to see what it runs, and then we'll see what we can do and make it go faster. Yeah, guys. And then we got the Harley stuff coming, so stay tuned for that. And I still got Ford Maverick stuff coming. So guys, please stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.